how's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be going over the SwissTech 200 watt power bank. Now SwissTech makes power banks that go all the way up to 1,000 watts, but today we're going to be going over the 200 watt version. I've already been using this thing a ton, and I've only had it for a couple days. So there's a lot of cool things you can do with this power bank. It's water resistant. It's got a light on the top of it right here. And you can plug pretty much anything you can think of into this thing. It has your regular wall plug. It has your USBs and your USB Type-Cs. It has a car charger in here as well, and some DC current 12 volt in and out. So how do you use this thing? So if you want to plug something in, all you do, lift up a little weather resistant flap, and say you're using the USB port, you just plug your USB in, and then you press this button and a little white light will come on, and there's a button above all these ports. So if you want to use it, you just plug it in, press the button, and you're good to go. And also with the wireless phone charger on the top, you press the USB button to turn that on. That's how you use this thing. Pretty simple, pretty easy. So the reason I'm excited to have this thing is for duck season. I think I'm gonna keep this in my boat. That way I can charge all my batteries while I'm out in the woods. I don't have to worry about, bringing anything out there. So that's mainly what I'm gonna be using this for. But you can use this really anywhere. It's obviously very light and portable, and it holds its charge for a very, very long time. I also believe this power bank can trickle charge a car battery. You don't have to worry about it getting overloaded. If you're drawing too much power, it'll shut off automatically, so there's nothing to worry about there. So this is going to be really good for camping, duck hunting, or anything outdoors when you're away from shore power. Anyways, this is the SwissTech 200 watt power bank. So if you're interested in it, go check out SwissTech Outdoors on social media. They showcase all their products on there, and you can figure out how to get one for yourself if you'd like. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.